Hi, this is Katie at the Kits-Oungre Public Library branch. I'm here today to introduce my assistant Chrissy, who our community is lucky to have as she has some preschool background, and this year with less programming happening in the library and literacy kits not going out, she has taken the initiative to put together a few really fun and awesome kits that you can come and get and take home to do with your school-age children. Programming from the library at home. I just wanted to pop on here, introduce her, and then tell you that we are also offering a sponsorship program for this. So if you would like to have your name put on a kit, sponsored by the Hungry Caterpillar kit, sponsored by the Bloor family, or whatever you would like to have put on there, your company, whatever, it's $20. It gets you a tax receipt for helping to fund our library. Some of them have cooking things in them that we need to replace supplies, art materials, etc. That is what helps us with this cost, especially at this time when we couldn't do our fundraisers this spring. Here's Chrissy. I will turn it over to her. Thank you all for watching.
Hi everyone, my name is Chrissy. I'm coming to you from the Kits-Oungre Library branch. We just wanted to show you some of the take-home library kits that we created for everyone this year. We put together 10 kits actually. They're all slightly different with different themes. And then one we created though was a holiday kit, so you will see this one and it will be different each time throughout the months, the occasions, the holidays. So it'll be really fun. That one will always be different and unique. But each kit, like I said, will have a variety of things in them. So I'm just going to show you a few. This one we created is called Bugs. And in this kit, we've included several books. There's a take-home craft. I made one today just to give you an example, but all the materials are included for your kids to make a variety of bugs. And then also there's also a little activity we put together. Just a whole bunch of bugs are included, some pinchers, kids can play with them, whatever you would like. Use your imagination. Okay, so that's an example of one of them. Obviously our first holiday coming up is Thanksgiving, so in this kit we have a whole bunch of Thanksgiving books we put together, and then a puppet, a turkey puppet for your kids. So again, it's all included. There's directions in there. Take it home, have fun. Another one we put together, just an example I put together today, was the Hungry Caterpillar book. It's a lot of fun. Directions for craft in there, and there's actually a few different crafts in this one. An example of a little one, but we also made cutout papers. Your children can also make this little guy too for something different, so he's a lot of fun. In there as well we have bugs and caterpillars and pinchers for the kids. That fine motor skills would be perfect for them to practice. Butterflies as well, so it's a lot of fun, that one. The last one I'm going to show you is the dinosaur kit. It's a lot of fun too. It has several dinosaur books in it. This one, I didn't dig it out, but there's actually a whole thing of moon sand at the bottom in a bin, and you have fossils. So you're going to dig them in there, put them in there, and your children can dig them out. It's a lot of fun. Comes with some clay as well. We have several clay pieces inside. Little guys, they can make models. And then as well as two crafts we put in this one. Some hand painting, we've included the paint inside, as well as this guy up here made out of some plates. So yeah, it'll be a lot of fun too. So yeah, just come on down to the library. Each kit will be available to take out. We have no due dates on them right now. When you do bring them back though, we're just gonna let them sit for a few days and have a quarantine period. Anything that can be wiped, we'll give them a little wipe down before they're taken out next. So yeah, so if you're interested, give us a shout, message us, or stop on by and check out. There's several of them to take home.